Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm Flore, but you can call me Flo. And in today's video, we are doing a quick cleaning and wipe down of the kitchen and the nearby areas. I'm also going to be doing a quick and easy install of a sensor motion light. So if you need some cleaning motivation today, go ahead and keep watching so we can do this together. All right, you guys, so we are starting in the microwave. Someone had chili for lunch and forgot to cover it when they put in the microwave. Guess who that someone was? It was me. So that's the first thing that I want to make sure I clean. So you guys, Christmas came early for me when the company Asoko reached out to me wanting me to try out their new curved screen motion sensor light. I was just so excited to do it, and I want to share this with you guys. Let me briefly introduce this product. So the first thing that I noticed when I opened the package was definitely the design. I really love the new curved design. It's not like those hard corners that you normally see in other sensor lights. The Asoko sensor light also came with a rechargeable USB, which is super helpful for energy savings. It also have 5 color temperature and it's a stepless dimming. It was super easy. Just with one little finger, I am able to change the setting. I also love the fact that it comes in 3 adjustable modes. So for instance, I can keep it on, I can do auto, I could just turn it off when I'm not using it. You can literally use this anywhere inside the house, in your closet if you need more lighting in there, your pantry, or if you want to do like me, place it underneath your kitchen cabinet for when you're walking in late night to get some water. It'll automatically turn on as soon as you walk past it. So I really think this is a great product. It was so easy to install. No tools was required. All you do is remove the sticker that it comes with, place it where you would like it to be. You want to wait a little bit now to make sure it doesn't fall or anything. But after that, that's pretty much it. If you've been here before, you know everything that I do with budget in mind. So if you're interested in these motion sensor light, do be sure to check the description box. I will have the link to this product and the Asoko website if you're interested in anything else. Most importantly, there is a 20% discount code for you to get some additional savings. That is nice. Wow. All right, you guys, and now I'm just moving on to wiping down our breakfast nook area, like the kids' high chair and the table. And I know it's the breakfast nook, but this is where we eat all our meals throughout the day. So really, it's our dining area. If you look very closely, you'll see a Christmas sticker on the chair, and that is because the boys have been enjoying stickers lately. So if you watch a couple vlogs back, I went to Dollar Tree and I got some stickers for them just for the screen door. Since then, they wanted more, and their dad purchased some more stickers, and they've been putting stickers everywhere. I mean, the table, the wall, anywhere you can think of, stickers are there. While I was still working on wiping things down, husband Michael was on dishes, and he was so excited to use the Dawn Power Wash. We're kind of late in the game, I know, but we finally got it because it was on sale, okay? And I've been wanting to use it, and finally we got a chance to purchase it. And he was super impressed with how well it cleaned. You're going to see him showing me how well things are looking. And he also got a little heavy-handed, but now he know he don't need to use that much. You guys, we are getting so close to Christmas. I cannot believe it. Not only that we're getting close to Christmas, but we're getting close to the end of the year. Like, that is mind-blowing to me. Let me know how you guys are doing down in the comments.
part of me. Yeah, oh, yeah. Christmas is a part of me. Oh, yes it is. Ooh, Christmas is a part of me. Oh, yeah. Say, ooh, Christmas is a part of me. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday.
So I just went in to clean the sink after he was done washing dishes, and he had already taken the trash out because last night was trash night, and he's putting a new trash bag in. But you guys, this video is coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you the motivation you needed to get some cleaning done. And guess what, you guys? Today is Vlogmas Day 20. God made a way. I have made it to day 20, and my next goal is day 25. So clap for me in the comments and just hope that I make it to the very end. I mean, I just can't believe it. I'm smiling, literally. But you guys, thank you again so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. All right. Bye.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.